Hi, I'm Osama Hussain and welcome back to Fortune Robotics channel, and today we'll be talking about single board computers and what they are. So we have a single board computer here with us today, which is the Raspberry Pi 5, and it is one of the latest and fastest single board computers. So what are single board computers? Single board computers are like a computer but in a small scale, which is a pocket size. So you can have any software into that, like an operating system installed into that, and you can program it according to what you want. So it usually works by putting or mounting an SD card inside this with the operating system flashed into the SD card. Once you flash it, you can power it on, which it has a power port, which is like a Type-C port. You can power it on, and the next thing you need to do is add an HDMI wire, a micro HDMI wire to the TV or your screen, and that's it. You can have it powered on. To control it, you have 4 USB ports where you can actually use 2 of them or a single one of them, which controls the mouse or the keyboard respectively. Now what you can do with this is practically limitless. You can these are mostly based in Linux because they have operating systems such as Raspbian and a Raspberry Pi OS, or there are different versions for different microcontrollers which include Debian, Linux, Ubuntu. So that is a bit more complex side, but for Raspberry Pi, the most common one used is Raspbian, where you can actually program the Raspberry Pi to do many functions or tasks together at the same time. Unlike the microcontroller, which can do a single task or 2 tasks at a time, this can perform several tasks, like for example play a video while using the GPIOs to control electronics and circuitries around itself. So that's there, and hopefully we'll be looking into more complex projects in the future, and we'll be sharing them with you with what we have done with Raspberry Pis.